Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into using Monday.com to track your SEO projects. First up, you'll need to create a new board. This is where all your tasks, deadlines, and other details will live. The reason we do this is to have a central hub for all our SEO project information. Go to the left-hand menu, click on Add, and then Board. Name it according to your project for easy identification. Now that we've done that, let's add some columns. These are the specific metrics or tasks that need tracking, like keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. To add a column, click on the plus Add Column button and choose the type that suits your needs. This helps us because it allows us to structure our SEO work effectively and ensures every important aspect is monitored. Next, we're going to assign tasks. Click on plus Add Item and input the details of the task. Then, assign a team member to each task. This is crucial because it helps us delegate work and keeps everyone in the loop about who's responsible for what. Once you've assigned tasks, it's time to set deadlines. Click on the task, then click on the date column next to it and select the deadline date from the calendar that pops up. Deadlines help us stay on track and meet our SEO goals on time. Let me explain why this next part matters. Monday.com has a feature called automations. Automations can send reminders when deadlines approach, move tasks based on their status, and so much more. To set up an automation, go to the top of your board, click on the robot icon, and choose the automation that suits your needs. This is a real game changer because it saves us time and helps avoid missed deadlines or overlooked tasks. Lastly, we'll use the dashboard to monitor the progress. The dashboard provides a visual representation of your project status. To view it, click on Dashboards on the left-hand menu and select your project. This is important because it allows us to have a quick overview and identify any bottlenecks or issues in real time. And there you have it. That's how you use Monday.com to track SEO projects effectively. By following these steps, you'll keep your SEO projects organized and monitored. Remember, the key to successful project management is communication and clarity. So, make the most of all the features Monday.com offers to keep your team on the same page. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.